So what we're going to talk about here is the ways that we can go about sanding and cleaning up our patch. And we're going to use wet sanding versus using sandpaper. And the benefit of using wet sanding, what I'm using here is just a simple microfiber cloth with just some water in it. If you look, when I put the flashlight up here, see how these patches have blended into the wall. If I were to put my repair material on and then sand, I'm going to have to sand an area wider than the actual patch. And what happens there is that I sand into this material on the outside, this existing texture, and so I need to spray texture over a bigger area. All I had was a nail hole in the middle, so we filled the hole, and what I did is I went around this and I blended it in with, after it was dry, I blended it in with this wet rag. And so that you can see that what I'm suggesting here works, you can see how there's a high edge here. By just using this wet rag, I'm blending all of these uneven areas and these high edges right into the old texture. That's a big benefit because if you look down below me, because I'm wet sanding and everything that I'm taking off the wall is going to end up in this rag, I'm not causing a mess. I don't have any mess in the air. And it blends in really well, and it's ready to be textured. So you can see how I went from these high edges to a nice smooth blend between the old texture and the new. What will be the new? The patch area and the old texture. And then I'm going to spray texture, and that blend will happen in a smaller area. I don't have to sand and then spray texture in a much bigger area. I can keep it as confined as possible. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would like to check out our products, click on the link below in the description for EzPro Texture. And to check out our other videos, please click on the link up here.